Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are diving into the world of cordless vacuums as we check out the Ultenic U12 Vesla Cordless vacuum, a high-performance vacuum designed to make home cleaning easier and more efficient, which is exactly what we are going to discover in this video. But before we get started, I want to mention that this video is part of a paid collaboration with Ultenic. While I do appreciate their support for my channel, my review will remain 100% honest and unbiased as always, so feel free to stick around as we explore everything that this vacuum has to offer. As you can see, the vacuum is well packaged and comes with all the necessary accessories and extensions that the vacuum needs. Before we continue this review, I would like to inform you that Ultenic is sponsoring a giveaway, and all the details about this giveaway is going to be in the description, so feel free to check it out for a chance to win a brand new vacuum. So first, let's start with the design and build quality. The Ultenic U12 Vesla brings a modern and functional design that fits seamlessly into any home. What stands out immediately is its dashboard-inspired screen that looks like a car's dashboard, which is really nice and looks futuristic, which adds a unique and interactive element to your cleaning routine. But what really makes a difference is the green LED headlight, even the tiniest dust particles, ensuring no hidden dirt escapes your cleaning path. Now moving on to power and performance. The U12 Vesla features a 450 watt high-speed motor generating a massive 40,000 pound suction power. Whether you are cleaning hard floors, carpets, or tackling stubborn messes, this vacuum makes the job effortless. It is designed to handle everything from fine dust to large debris, making it a perfect all-around cleaning tool, and you can also use it to clean out your car and any other place that you need a vacuum for. And one of the standout features is the tangle-free roller brush. As you can see, if you have ever struggled with pit hair or long hair clogging your vacuum, you will love this feature. The specially designed brush prevents hair from wrapping around the roller, so you don't have to stop and untangle it constantly, making cleaning much more hassle-free. And for versatile cleaning, the U12 Vesla comes with a crevice brush and a combination tool, allowing you to switch to a handheld vacuum in seconds. Whether you need to clean your couch, car, stairs, or upholstery, this vacuum has you covered for sure. Additionally, the telescope pipe lets you adjust the length as needed with the extension included, making it easy to reach high places like ceilings and ceiling fans. And when it comes to battery life and uninterrupted cleaning, the U12 Vesla delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge in Eco mode, ensuring you can clean your entire home without having to recharge. And the removable battery adds even more convenience, allowing you to charge it anywhere in your home. Plus, the large 0.26 gallon dust cup reduces the need for frequent emptying, letting you focus on cleaning instead of stopping to dispose of dirt. Overall, the Ultenic U12 Vesla is a fantastic cordless vacuum that combines power, efficiency, and convenience. Whether you are dealing with dust, pit hair, or deep carpet cleaning, this vacuum is definitely built to handle it all effortlessly. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing cordless vacuum. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you found this review helpful and useful. helpful and that it helped you decide whether this is the best cordless vacuum for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos, and if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I'll also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to snag yours and take advantage of all the great features that this vacuum has to offer. See you in the next video. Peace.